Hi Rasmus users. Today we're going to talk about setting up a basic skill acquisition program. You can do this in the library or on your client's homepage. So you're going to go to Programs, say Add Program, just do Skill Acquisition Program here. You're going to title your program. So we'll just do Tacting Colors today. Here you can enter your instructions, so any instructions you want your staff to have, any protocols, anything here, you can type those here. You can add tables and different formatting, everything there. Then you're going to upload any instruction videos you want to upload here and any learning materials that you want or stimuli that you want for this program. You can also use tags here to label the program. These can be set up in settings. You can set up the organization-wide tags, and these are helpful for things such as organizing the reports or treatment plans, and you can also use them to filter the data sheets. Here then we'll go over to the Targets tab, and we'll add our targets. And we can just start typing here. There are different types of targets. We'll go over those in a different video. You can change your target type. You can also view any individual target settings here and view your target data here. You can also duplicate your settings from here. We also have this AI feature where we can say, we can have it suggest targets. So name 8 colors besides red and blue. This will generate a list of suggested targets that you can then edit before you import as targets. All right, so now we have our targets. We can edit them as needed. We can add an SD, so you can add them individually, or you can select all and add an SD to all programs. Oops. I can also select all and change the status, or I can change the status of each individual program as well. All right, so now that we have our targets, we're going to go over to the data recording tab. Here we're going to set our mastery workflow and our prompt level templates. These view our other videos for setting up these templates, but you can find yours from the list. With workflows, you can adjust them individually for each program, and it'll show that it's red if any changes you've made from the template. You can save. This icon shows up since I've made changes from the template. Then you'll choose your prompt level template. You can select here to preview that prompt level template before selecting it. Prompt level templates are not able to be edited on the program level, only in the template level. Now here I can also preview my targets to see what that data sheet is going to look like. I can test that out to make sure it's exactly how I want to see on the data sheet before saving that program. I can edit my custom graph settings here. And then I can go over to this treatment tab and I can select a treatment area. This is all customizable. You can set up the treatment tab and all the treatment areas in templates. I can set that up. I can customize all of the information here and all of the fields here. So I can enter my baseline, I can enter my objective, say learner will tact 10 colors, and all of this information will populate into a treatment plan. So I can set all of the information that I want here. All right, and then lastly, I can if I want to, I can set a picture just for personalization of the program. You can upload a picture, you can select from the searchable database, and then I've created my program. I can choose whether I want to add it to the data sheet right here, or I can skip that step. And then I'll see that here on the program list as well as the home page.